Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a petition in High Court. First, it is crucial to understand the specific rules and procedures of the High Court where you intend to file. Each court has its own set of guidelines, so thorough research is essential. Next, you must determine if the High Court has the appropriate jurisdiction to hear your particular case. Finally, begin gathering all relevant documents and evidence that will support your claims in the petition. Once you have completed your initial research, the next step is to meticulously draft your petition. This document should clearly outline your legal claims, presented in concise, numbered paragraphs. Remember to include a caption with the High Court's name and a clear statement explaining why the court has jurisdiction over your case. All supporting documents, such as certified copies of lower court judgments or evidence, must be attached as annexures. With your petition drafted, it's time for submission. You will need to file the original petition with the court clerk, typically along with several copies for the court and opposing parties. Be prepared to pay the applicable court fees, which can vary significantly depending on the type of petition and jurisdiction. Many high courts now offer e-filing, allowing you to submit documents electronically, often requiring PDF/a format and specific margins, like 1.75 inches on the left. After filing, the court will typically schedule an admission hearing to assess the merits of your case. It is crucial to serve a copy of the filed petition to the opposing party, adhering to specific procedural rules. If the court admits your petition, prepare for potential oral arguments and further proceedings, which may include exchanging additional written arguments. The court will then deliberate and issue its final orders or judgments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.